Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're exploring the fascinating field of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a discipline that applies principles of physics, mathematics, and materials science to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical systems. It is one of the oldest and broadest engineering disciplines, playing a pivotal role in the development of everything from small devices to large machinery. Mechanical engineering covers a wide range of subfields, including thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, structural analysis, materials science, and robotics. At its core, mechanical engineering is about understanding the forces and thermal environments that objects encounter and designing machinery and systems that function efficiently under these conditions. This includes the design and analysis of engines, heating and cooling systems, manufacturing plants, and industrial equipment. The mechanical engineering workflow typically involves several stages: conceptual design, computer-aided design CAD, prototyping, testing, and manufacturing. Engineers use tools like CAD software to create detailed designs and simulations, ensuring that components will function as intended. Prototyping and testing are crucial steps to validate designs and refine them before mass production. Mechanical engineering has a profound impact on various industries. In the automotive industry, mechanical engineers design and develop engines, transmissions, and suspension systems to improve vehicle performance and efficiency. In aerospace, they work on the design of aircraft and spacecraft, ensuring they can withstand extreme conditions. In manufacturing, mechanical engineers develop and optimize production processes, enhancing productivity and quality. Now, let's look at the future of mechanical engineering. The field is continually evolving, with several trends shaping its future. One significant trend is the rise of automation and robotics. Mechanical engineers are at the forefront of designing and implementing robotic systems that enhance manufacturing efficiency, precision, and safety. Automation is transforming industries by reducing human intervention in repetitive and hazardous tasks. Additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, is another groundbreaking trend. This technology allows for the creation of complex and customized components with reduced material waste and shorter production times. Mechanical engineers use 3D printing to prototype designs rapidly and produce parts that would be challenging or impossible to create with traditional manufacturing methods. Sustainable engineering practices are also gaining prominence. Mechanical engineers are developing energy-efficient systems and environmentally friendly materials to reduce the ecological footprint of industrial processes. This includes designing renewable energy systems, such as wind turbines and solar panels, and improving the efficiency of existing technologies. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning into mechanical engineering is revolutionizing the field. AI-driven algorithms can optimize designs, predict maintenance needs, and enhance the performance of mechanical systems. This integration is leading to smarter, more adaptive technologies that can respond to changing conditions in real time. In summary, mechanical engineering is a dynamic and essential field that is foundational to modern industry and innovation. Its applications are vast, and its future is promising, driven by advancements in automation, 3D printing, sustainable practices, and AI integration. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.